my bed. Ain't gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look Thursday. Put your drink, got me feeling where you at. Make you feel love, then it gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Then it gotta be.
Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose. We are back with another video. Yes, we are back with another video, and as you guys can tell by the title, I just got my Boxycharm base box in the mail, so we are going to unbox it and see what we got, maybe try a few products out. So if you want to see what I got this month for Boxycharm base, then just keep on watching. All right, this box looks pretty nice. So this is what it's looking like when I open it. So the theme for this month is Spellbound, which is spooky season, October. Very on point. And then we got some information. All right, so the first thing I see in here is from Tint Beauty. They are makeup remover towelettes. These retail for $20, and this is a new launch. So I wish I would have known I was getting this, because then I would have not purchased the 80 pack that I got from Walmart, but they were cheap, so it really doesn't matter. More makeup remover, the better. Okay, so the next thing I see is from Glow Recipe, and this is their Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. This retails for $34, and this says, this highlighting skincare and makeup hybrid visibly brightens skin and delivers an effortless glow while helping reduce hyperpigmentation. The niacinamide infused serum is formulated without mica, glitter, or pearls. It creates a lightweight, buildable texture that quickly absorbs, making it suitable for all skin types. Use as a hydrating, highlighting serum before moisturizer or as the last step of your routine. That kind of sounds really nice. Ultimate Glow and Brightening. And this is a 40 ml container or bottle. I'm not really sure what it, like, how is it like packaged? Is it in a tube? Glass bottle? Normally Glow Recipes, packaging is on point, so. Oh my god, this is so cute. It definitely looks like there's some type of pearlescence to it, but that is what it looks like. It is a glass bottle. I wouldn't expect anything less from Glow Recipe. So next is a palette, which comes bubble wrapped. So we have the Ace Beauty Falling For You palette. This retails for $34.99. This is a new launch with Ace Beauty. It says it on the card, and the packaging looks just like the cardboard box. Oh my gosh, these colors are so like on point with fall. Look at that, beautiful, just freaking beautiful. Let's do some swatches. Okay, don't want to dirty my sweater, so let's just do this. Of course, comes with a nice sized mirror. I'm gonna try to swatch one shade from each row, so we'll do this one. Let's do the purple, and then we'll do the silver gold. So we'll do the first row there. Ooh. Oh my gosh. That is so buttery. So there are the swatches. I can tell you right now, I'm definitely going to fall in love with this palette, because the matte purple that I just swatched feels super buttery. Super buttery. I was going to get up and get a makeup wipe, but might as well try the Tint Beauty makeup remover towelettes. So clean the fingers. And I will wipe off the swatches with the same towelette. Pink, purple shades can sometimes stain, so don't be surprised if we still see purple, which it took the majority of it off. Oh, these smell really good. Oh, and these are also 100% biodegradable, so that's really good. And it says, what's in it? Pore refining witch hazel. That must be what I'm smelling, because it smells really good. Alright, so moving on to the next product. So the next product is from Tint Beauty. This is their Lash / Brow Duo. This retails for $29. It's basically a black mascara. Let's see, it says this duo solves the endless search for mascara and brow gel in the abyss of your makeup bag. It combines two products in one. The mascara is created with a smooth, oil-rich formula with strong color payoff, leaving lashes longer, naturally fuller looking, and thicker without clump. The brow gel is fine and creamy with enough color to achieve natural hair-like strokes of color for fuller and well-defined brows. $29. This better be worth it. I mean, technically you're getting two products in one, so I guess. I like the packaging. So this is the brow side and then this is the lash side. So this should have a mascara wand. Ooh, that one looks really interesting. And then this should have like a little brow. Yeah, it's like a brow gel. I'm not really sure how I feel about the color. It looks really warm. And then last but not least, I got something from Tint Beauty. It says it's a double-sided wing stamp eyeliner. This retails for $22, and this is new. This is a new brand to Boxycharm. Oh, that's so cute. I love this pink. Right, so we got like a triangle. That looks like a triangle. I'm assuming it's to create like a wing. And then on this side, we have like the regular wing liner. Really nice, easy to create a fine line. You could extend that wing, you know. It's really easy to work with. I like that. So I like that. I like that a lot. So if I had to rate this box, I actually really enjoyed everything that I got. Not that I tried anything except for a few swatches of stuff, but like I'm super excited to play around with this stuff. I'm actually gonna give this box a 10 out of 10. I'm super surprised. Boxycharm has not been hitting the mark for me lately. Like I've been enjoying their boxes, but nothing that would get a 10. Like this is definitely a 10 out of 10. I'm super impressed with all the products that I got, and I'm super excited to try them. So make sure that you stay tuned for a full face first impressions. I have so much new makeup, especially for my birthday and my Ulta gift cards. And yeah, hit that notification bell if you want to stay posted and see me try a whole bunch of new makeup. So yeah, that brings this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up, comment down below what you guys thought. If you get Boxycharm, let me know what you got. If you are my Boxy twin, let me know down below. Someone commented on one of my recent Boxycharm posts and said that we were Boxy twins, and I absolutely love it. Like that's freaking cool. Like I like to know if people got the same thing or if we got something different. So yeah. Also, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. I'd love to have you guys join the Rose family. And on that note, I hope you guys are staying safe, staying blessed, having an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
Can you play that again? Give me some fire, baby.